Hi friends, I hope you liked the song. It made us very happy to sing it for you. Near the end of the song, we sing, "This is the story of when I sigh. When I'm feeling peaceful, that's when I sigh." Do you know what a sigh is? Let's try it. Take a deep breath in, keep your mouth open, and let the breath out with a little sound like this. Ah. Let's try it again. That's a sigh. Are you feeling peaceful right now? Then you can sigh some more. You can even make it a really big sigh if you want to. Let's try that. If you're not feeling peaceful, it's okay. You can make a different sound to show how you are feeling. Ask somebody in your home how they're feeling. Do they know what a sigh is? You could teach them. Remember, it's a little breath in. Keep your mouth open and let the breath out with a little sound. You or someone in your house may be feeling peaceful or sad or happy or mad or silly or tired or afraid or surprised. It's okay to feel all of those feelings. It's also okay to not know how you feel. And it is also okay if you feel all those feelings at once. Sometimes I feel that way when I'm really excited. Listen to the song again if you want to. And see you next time.